Let's get customized. In this lesson, we're going to learn how to add custom pages to your app and why you might use custom pages. Custom pages, first off, can be found under the Media tab and Custom. I've set up a custom page already, and in this case, you would probably want to change this page name and perhaps the page icon. Let's change this page name to Recipes. If we scroll down under the content area, you'll see that this is essentially a text editor that you've used before. It's set up like a Microsoft Word document. And you also have the option to create hyperlinks, images, and add any HTML code if you know how to do that or you have some that was created by a developer. Now, why would we use custom pages? Custom pages are here for you to do all sorts of different things. For example, a restaurant could create recipes like you see here. A gym could write exercise tips. A tax service could give quick tax tips. How you can view custom pages is essentially a blog or content creation method for your app. So this won't be posted to the web. This is just for users of your app. And it's another way to keep your customers coming back to your app, keeping this app on their phone, and keeping them engaged with your business. So let's take a look at how we work with custom pages. So I've written Joe's pizza recipe. You can see we have dough, sauce, cheese, oregano, toppings, and a dash of love. We see over here what it looks like, and it looks like a Word document. Well, let's add an image to it to spice it up a little bit. To add an image, you go to the Insert Edit Image button, and it'll ask for a source. So you actually have to upload this to your website server, get that URL, and plug it in this box. So we'll add our URL. We can add an image description if we want to. Now we can change our dimensions, and a really nice feature is that it will constrain your proportions for you. So you can see that I have a big image that's 1700 pixels wide. Well, that's simply too big for a mobile device. So I'm going to say 100 pixels wide. Click over here and it'll automatically constrain my proportions, and we'll click OK and see what it looks like. So now we've got a nice image of a pizza here. And if you want to, you can click the source code button and change any of the HTML code if you're familiar with how to do that. We can also change the background design. So you can add a background image that spices this up a little bit more if you don't like the white background that you see here. And lastly, just so you can see how this is like a text editor, let's highlight the title and we'll change the font size to 18. So now we've got a nice big title, and if we had more in this recipe, the user could just scroll down and read the rest. So again, it's a handy tool that can act like a blog right within your app.